Ever wondered how to turn your fitness journey into a joyride? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to a world where breaking a sweat doesn't have to be a chore. Here, fitness meets fun. Kick off this exhilarating journey with the first tip: dance. Yes, you heard it right. Dance is not just an expression of art, but also a fantastic way to burn calories. Whether it's Zumba, hip-hop, or salsa, dancing keeps your heart rate up, tones your body, and brings a smile to your face. Next in line is a childhood favorite: jumping rope. It might seem simple, but this activity engages your whole body, strengthens your heart, and enhances coordination. Plus, it's a game changer when it comes to burning calories. Now, imagine this. You're in a lush park, the sun is shining, and you're playing frisbee with your friends. Sounds like a fun day out, right? But did you know this casual pastime is also a great way to improve your agility, speed, and endurance? Moving on, ever thought about combining fitness with exploration? Hiking does just that. It's a full-body workout that allows you to enjoy the beauty of nature, breathe in fresh air, and feel the sense of accomplishment when you reach the peak. Last, but definitely not least, add some adventure to your workout routine with kayaking. This water sport works your upper body and core, increases your cardiovascular fitness, and lets you experience the thrill of navigating through the water. So there you have it, 5 fun and effective ways to embrace fitness. Dance to the rhythm of your favorite tunes. Jump rope like you're back in the playground. Play frisbee in the park on a sunny day. Hike to the top of a mountain and enjoy the stunning views. And paddle your way to fitness with kayaking. Remember, fitness is not just about the destination, it's about the journey. It's about finding activities that you love and making them part of your lifestyle. It's about turning workouts into play and challenges into adventures. So go ahead, choose your favorite tip and embark on this exciting fitness journey. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about getting fit, it's about having fun along the way.